Hi, I'm Erty. I'm one of the TAs for this course, and I wanted to make a short video explaining how to submit Project 1 the easy way. So when this particular project was uploaded, it was accidentally uploaded with an extra Mac OS X folder here, and that complicates things. So what I'm going to do is just delete it. The first thing you should do is just open up the Project 1 folder, right-click. On Mac, you can hold down Option and click, or you can click with two fingers. On Windows, usually just going to be right-click. And I'm just going to delete that folder entirely and confirm that. Now I have this thing called starter code. And in here is all of the files, including the Python files and also the folders containing things like the images. And so we'll go in here and maybe we'll change something, print hello world. And now I want to submit this. So I can use the submit here, and I'm going to submit specifically for Project 1. If I submit just filters.py, then when I submit it, Mimir isn't going to know about all of the images and the example outputs and things like that. So what I want to do is submit everything here. The easiest way to do that is to just type the name of the directory that you want to submit. So I'll starter. And you can see here this brings starter code to the directory to the top. You can see it's a directory because it says directory here. So that's the folder that contains all of those files. I'll just click that, and it'll submit it for me. When I view submission, I can check that this works over here because you'll see that the files submitted looks correct. I see all of the files that were in that directory. And if I open this, we won't see any errors about like filters.py was not found, or image.io.py. Any of these were not found. We'll see errors related to the actual content of the code. One thing that I want to caution about is that if we submit to Project 1 and I submit the whole Project 1 folder, this is incorrect, and you can see two things. One is that in our files submitted, everything is wrapped inside of this starter code. And second, we can see that it actually gives us a warning, and it says, hey, I couldn't find filters.py. And so that allows us to just very quickly check, did I submit all the things that I needed to? And in this case, the answer is no. Hope that helps. Bye.